to Study with Malsha YouTube channel. Have you ever seen the way that each slide moves one after the other? Today we are going to learn that special feature known as transitions. You can first create your presentation, then start by using this transitions tab. So you can see here are some transition styles you can use. To see more, we can click this down arrow. Even though they have given you many transition styles, it's better to use 2 or 3 during your presentation so that you can protect the professional look of your presentation. Okay, so I will try this transition style. If you need to replay it, you can simply click on the preview option. So, what if you need to remove your transition? Here it is. Click on the None option. Okay, now I am going to edit my transition with effect options. If you want to delay or reduce the moving time of your slide transition, you can use this duration option. Now let's see how to add a sound when your transition is moving. Click the sound option and click one from the list, but I won't recommend this option. If you want to run your transition automatically, you can uncheck this box and add the time duration. At last, you should decide whether you are going to change the transition styles for each slide. If not, you can use this Apply to All option. So then the whole presentation will work under one transition style. So it's better to practice these tiny options to be a good presenter. So, see you with another new video soon. Thank you very much.